Hi, my name is David Russo. I'm one of the rabbis at Anshe Emet Synagogue.
And hi, my name is Dan Walker. I'm one of the students at JPC Jews by Choice program.
So Dan, it's so good to be here with you today.
Thank you. It's good to be here with you too.
So today we're going to talk a little bit about Passover. And we're going to talk in specific about what does it mean to bring Passover into your home. Okay. And we're going to talk about two main things. We're going to talk about what does it mean to kasher, or to prepare our kitchens and our homes for Passover, and one or two of the customs related to that. And so hopefully what we are going to do today is to get a better understanding of some of the rules of kashrut. We're going to see that it's meant to be all-encompassing and that it's meant to shape our ways of relating to all kinds of food, and hopefully in ways that are manageable and don't feel like a person is going to have a nervous breakdown when preparing for Passover, which again is not so uncommon amongst many Jews leading up to Passover.
Right. Well,
Sound good?
Ready? Yes.
Okay, great. So what we're going to do is go through, Dan and I are going to do this process called kashering. We are going to be taking everyday food items and make it kosher, meaning fit or appropriate for Passover.
But why?
But why? So one of the reasons, there are a lot of different reasons for kashrut in general and Passover in particular. And one of the main things that I want to posit here is that we're trying to make it meaningful. That even as small a thing as eating is going to feel special. Even as small a thing as getting a bowl for soup or for cereal is something that we are going to think about before we do it.
Okay.
Yeah. So the first thing that we need to do is have a pot. So there is a pot, and this is going to be the central thing that we use to make other things kosher. The first thing that we need to do is to kasher, or make appropriate, this pot. One of the ways that Jewish law says that you can kasher many things is through what is called irui, which is the cleansing and boiling. So the way that you do it is, first you have to take a pot and clean it. And you have to give it a good thorough clean. After you've cleaned it, you leave it for 24 hours. Okay, so the first part is cleaning it. Part two is to set it aside for 24 hours and not to use it. So then we get to part three, which is we take water and we boil it. So Dan, if you want to take off the top,
sure.
It's a little hot. We have this boiling hot water. And so we have to make sure that we keep the water boiling. It should be at a rolling boil, because that's what it takes in order to kasher both itself and anything else. So the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that the water touches all of the inner parts of the pot. And so the way that many people do this is by placing a rock inside the pot of boiling hot water so that water spills out over all the sides of it.